Chapter 7. The Noun. Number. Notice the change of form in the second word of each pair. Tree, trees. Box, boxes. Ox, oxen. Man, men. The first word of each pair denotes one thing. The second word of each pair denotes more than one. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. As boy, girl, cow, bird, tree, book, pen. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. As boys, girls, cows, birds, trees, books, pens. Thus there are two numbers in English, the singular and the plural. How plurals are formed. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular. As boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, pen, pens, desk, desks, cow, cows. But nouns ending in s, sh, ch, soft, or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. As class, classes, kiss, kisses, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, match, matches, watch, watches, branch, branches, tax, taxes, box, boxes. Most nouns ending in o also form the plural by adding es to the singular. As buffalo, buffaloes, mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, cargo, cargoes, echo, echoes, negro, negroes, volcano, volcanoes. A few nouns ending in o merely add s. As dynamo, dynamos, solo, solos, ratio, ratios, canto, cantos, memento, mementos, quarto, quartos, piano, pianos, photo, photos, stereo, stereos, kilo, kilos, logo, logos, commando, commandos. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. As baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, army, armies, story, stories, pony, ponies. The following nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es. As thief, thieves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves, life, lives, calf, calves, leaf, leaves, loaf, loaves, knife, knives, shelf, shelves, half, halves, elf, elves, self, selves, sheaf, sheaves. The nouns dwarf, hoof, scarf and wharf take either s or ves in the plural. Dwarfs are dwarfs, hoofs are hoofs, scarfs are scarves, wharfs are wharves. Other words ending in f or fe add s. As chief, chiefs, safe, safes, proof, proofs, gulf, gulfs, cliff, cliffs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. As man, men, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice. There are a few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular. As ox, oxen, child, children. The plural of fishes, fisher, fishes. The form fishes is less usual. Some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. As swine, sheep, deer, cod, trout, salmon, aircraft, spacecraft, series, species. Pair, dozen, score, gross, 100, 1,000 when used after numerals. I bought 3 dozen oranges. Some people reach the age of 70. The sari cost me 5,000 rupees. Stone, hundredweight. He weighs above 9 stone. 20 hundredweight make 1 ton. Some nouns are used only in the plural. Names of instruments which have two parts forming a kind of pair. As bellows, scissors, tongs, pincers, spectacles. Names of certain articles of dress. As trousers, drawers, breeches, jeans, tights, shorts, pajamas. Certain other nouns. As annals, thanks, proceeds of a sale, tidings, environs, nuptials, obsequies, assets, chattels. Some nouns originally singular are now generally used in the plural. As alms, riches, eaves. Riches do many things. The following nouns look plural but are in fact singular. 1. Names of subjects. Mathematics, physics, electronics, etc. 2. The word news. 3. Names of some common diseases. Measles, mumps, rickets. Names of some games. Billiards, drafts. Mathematics is his favorite study. No newsy is good news. India won by an innings and 3 runs. Measles is infectious. Billiards is my favorite game. Means it is used either as singular or plural. But when it has the meaning of wealth, it is always plural. As he succeeded by this means or by these means in passing the examination. His means are small, but he has incurred no debt. Certain collective nouns, though singular in form, are always used as plurals. As poultry, cattle, vermin, people, gentry. These poultry are mine. Whose are these cattle? Vermin destroy our property and carry disease. Who are those people? Persons. There are few gentry in this town. Note: as a common noun, people means a nation and is used in both singular and plural. As the Japanese are a hard-working people. There are many different peoples in Europe. A compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s to the principal word. As commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Coat of mail, coats of mail. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law. Stepson, stepsons. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters. Maidservant, maidservants. But manservant, plural. Men-servants. Passerby, passers-by. Looker-on, lookers-on. Man of war, men of war. We say spoonfuls and handfuls because spoonful and handful are regarded as one word. Note that the proper nouns Brahmin and Musulman are not compounds of man. Therefore their plurals are Brahmins and Musulmans. Many nouns taken from foreign languages keep their original plural form. As from Latin, erratum, errata. Formula, formulae, or formulas. Index, indices. Memorandum, memoranda. Radius, radii. Terminus, termini, or terminuses. From Greek, axis, axes. Parenthesis, parentheses. Crisis, crises. Hypothesis, hypotheses. Basis, basis. Phenomenon, phenomena. Analysis, analyses. Criterion, criteria. From Italian bandit, banditti, or bandits. From French, madame, madame, madame. Monsieur, messieurs. From Hebrew, cherub, cherubim, or cherubs. Seraph, seraphim, or seraphs. Some nouns have 2 forms for the plural, each with a somewhat different meaning. Brother, brothers, sons of the same parent. brethren, members of a society or a community. Cloth, cloths, kinds or pieces of cloth. Clothes, garments. Die, dies, stamps for coining. Dice, small cubes used in games. Index, indexes, tables of contents to books. Indices, signs used in algebra. Penny, pennies, number of coins. Pence, amount in value. Some nouns have two meanings in the singular but only one in the plural. Radiance, a lamp, lights, lamps. People, nation, men and women. Peoples, nations. Powder, dust, a dose of medicine in fine grains like dust. Powders, doses of medicine. Practice, habit, exercise of a profession. Practices, habits. Some nouns have one meaning in the singular, two in the plural. Color, hue, colors, hues. The flag of a regiment. Custom, habit, customs, habit. Duties levied on imports. Effect, result, effects, results. Property, manner, method, manners, methods. Correct behavior, moral, a moral lesson, morals, moral lessons. Conduct, number, a quantity, numbers, quantities. Verses, pain, suffering, pains, sufferings. Care, exertion, premise, proposition, premises, propositions. Buildings,